Travel the streets in style with the Fiido M1 Pro folding electric bike. This gorgeous electric bike has a set of off-road fat tires and a full suspension setup. The Fiido M1 Pro folding bike comes with a powerful 48-volt 500-watt electric motor with a fast top speed of 24.8 miles per hour. It is faster than most folding bikes in the market, so you can safely drive with the traffic. The bike comes with a sizable 12.8 ampere-hour battery pack and an astounding range of 80.7 miles, so it has more range than the competition. You can use this bike for commuting or round trips. This affordable bike comes with a beautiful frame and compact 20-inch spoked rims, making it compact and can be driven through crowded spaces. Fold into a tight package so you can fold and bring it on public transportation, or fold the bike and bring it indoors to save on parking. Get yours now and have it delivered right to your doorstep. You can buy it from us at the lowest price guaranteed with free shipping. Simply click on the link down in the description below, or you can contact us at 800-590-2738. Experience paradise at electricbikeparadise.com.